Hi darlings, it is Laura Fudge with Fudge Beauty, and I'm super excited for this video today because I've prepared a lot of information, crunched some numbers, and I am so confident that I have hands down the best way to launch a facial skincare business as a solo esthetician. So this is going to help you get product in your room for a back bar to be using on your clients for services for facials, and allow you to retail to your clients too without having a ton of overhead, and you'll be making phenomenal commissions. So I'm going to break it down for you about what kind of investment that would be and what kind of growth there is and all those nitty-gritty details that you would want to know as a business owner. So let's get started. So what I have here is the 5 skincare items that come in your starter kit. So the starter kit actually has over $400 worth of product, but the investment is $169. So what I did is only picked out the skincare because that's what I want to highlight today. There's a ton of makeup that comes with it too, and in fact you choose your kit based off of the complexion area that you want to work on, or I should say the complexion tone. So they have everything from light skin tone to deep skin tone kits. So that's part of that, but I'm just going to talk about the skincare. So when you get your LimeLife kit, it's going to come with 1 cleanser, 1 moisturizer, 1 facial mask, 1 body scrub, and our due date, which is our facial oil. So mine came with a Dream Clean, which is our gel cleanser. And then our skin polish, which is our lemon and jojoba bead facial scrub. My body exfoliant is the Bamboo Renew. It smells amazing. And then my moisturizer is the Skin Therapy, and the facial, like I said, the due date, the due date, which is the facial oil. So this comes in every starter kit. So honestly, you could do a facial with just that. You're gonna, start with a cleanser. You're going to be able to do a mask. You're going to use your due date for a facial massage. You can add gua sha tools. You can do a lot of facial manipulation that way. And then you can finish up with a moisturizer. Boom, you did a facial. And then of course, adding in your own techniques and personal touch throughout the service. But what it comes down to is this is the way that I run my facial business. I know that I bring so much skill to the service that I can manipulate the product and have a world-class facial. So I have a feeling that if you are looking to be a solo esthetician, you are confident in your own skills and what you bring to the table too. So you don't necessarily need the product to do all the talking because these hands are magic, So that's the basic one that comes with the basic kit, is those parts. But I think that if you wanted to upgrade your facial game a little bit more, I suggest 4 more products to add, and that way you actually have a little bit more of substance to your facial, and you can customize your facial more to the different clients' needs. So instead of just, when we customize with our own skills, we're using different pressure, we're using different manipulations, we're concentrating on different areas of the skin and the face for our clients. But obviously having different product is helpful too. So the products that I suggest that you're going to want to grab are another mask. So this is the Mask of Zen. This is great for oily, acneic skin, or sometimes I like to use it for myself when I need a detox, because I'm not typically oily, but this is phenomenal for like pulling out the toxins and stuff. And then I'm going to also suggest that we add on our Sotox. So Sotox is our anti-aging serum. I'm such a huge fan of this, and I love to use this with some jade rollers, or other gua sha tools, and adding this into the service makes it such a luxurious, experience. It has such a great aroma, and it really does firm and tighten and brighten the skin. So this is phenomenal to add to customize for anti-aging facials. And then our Eye Serum. So this product is, I just realized I don't think I added this in. The Eye Serum is our anti-aging eye serum, and it has a nice cooling applicator tip, which feels phenomenal in a service. I will sanitize it between clients, and I can show you that technique later. But besides that, I also love to use this on areas of fine lines and wrinkles, and there's a really particular massage that I do that I've seen a lot of improvement, not only on myself in different areas, but with my clientele. So this is another phenomenal add, or a booster to your service that I highly recommend if you're going to start off with LimeLife using for facials, because that way you can customize so much. So, and then lastly, the last piece that I would recommend to add over the starter kit to kick off your facial services is our sunscreen. So our sunscreen, you're like, ho hum, is a sunscreen. No. It is a primer for makeup. It has like chicory root in it, which is phenomenal for anti-aging, and it's firming, and it's reef safe. It's SPF 30. So I love to use this on my clients, especially in the summertime, to protect their skin. And yeah, it's amazing. So if you're sitting here like, okay, these are cute and fun, this is a great idea for product, but how much does it cost? So like I said, the initial investment for LimeLife's starter kit, which comes with those 5 products, is $169. When you add on these 4 other things with your wholesale discount, considering you're already a beauty guide because you enrolled and got the starter kit, it is $164. So like I said, $169 plus tax to enroll as a beauty guide and to get your starter kit, which comes with the 5 skincare items. And then the next 4 skincare items that have the boosters and the anti-aging pieces and the extra mask is going to be $164.80 plus tax. And that assumes that you already have your 20% wholesale discount. So if you want to add those together, you feel free, but I did the math already. The total is $333.80. So I don't know if you are a numbers person like me, like numerology and stuff, but that's a freaking awesome number. That number has so much power and beauty to it. So that's a good sign. That's a phenomenal sign. So with at $333.80, you have already created your own LimeLife business, your own skincare business, because you have phenomenal product to offer services, offer customized facials that smell amazing, that feel amazing, and you're able to retail this product. You don't have to have anything on the shelf. You don't have to put down thousands of dollars to have stuff on the shelf. And instead, you're going to be having your clients at the end of the service talk to them about the products that you used and the products that you recommend. Because even if you use one cleanser, say you use the Dream Clean in the facial, and you decide that maybe that's not the best for them, you're going to say, hey, I use Dream Clean, but I really think that you would do best with Quench Cleanse. Let me put together a little cart for you, and I'm going to take a screenshot, and I'm going to text this to you. You can use this as a reference when you want to go home and purchase this on your own, or I can help you complete that purchase today, and it'll arrive in your house in a few days. Brilliant. So that's how I do it. I love to either help them finish the service and help them purchase the product here in the studio, or they have a list that they go home with, and then in the next couple days they purchase it, and I get that money in my bank or in my commission account, and then it shows up the next month, and I made sure that they got phenomenal home care. So this is brilliant. This is such a low investment for so much potential that you have. And I don't know if you've compared other prices, if you guys have been shopping around for other brands, but this is amazing. This is such an awesome opportunity. So I'm going to tell you some more details about LimeLife right now. So there is no monthly minimum. There's no monthly minimum that you have to purchase. Nothing. You don't have to purchase a dang thing if you don't want to. There is a $10 or $9.95 website fee just for like administration purposes, but you do not have to order a dang thing if you don't want to. Ever. It's true. So then there's also no auto ships. I've worked with other companies, other direct sales companies, and there's other skincare companies out there that are going to try and ship you something for sure every month. And they charge you and you ship it and this and that. No, that doesn't happen with LimeLife. There's no auto ships unless you sign up for the subscription box. But that's neither here nor there. That's a whole other fun thing. And I'd be more excited for that one. There are also no parabens in LimeLife makeup or LimeLife makeup or skincare. So all of our skincare is free from harmful chemicals. Everything in our company is paraben free. And so I love that I can recommend this product, and it's going to give such health to my skin and my client's skin. And that makes me feel so good as an esthetician. Like I said, there are no stocking shelves. You do not have to stock shelves. In fact, it's actually discouraged. You're not supposed to hold stock with this company because they don't want people to create false shortages. They don't want people to, just be having a retail site, because then they can't kind of work with the next thing. I didn't put that on the smart, but they don't want people to have to worry about making returns with an individual beauty guide. They would rather handle that through their customer service. So there's a lot of reasons why they don't want to stock shelves. And at first I thought that would kind of hurt my business because then I wouldn't be able to complete a sale in person. But no, it has been phenomenal. People do not necessarily need that product right there in their hand. In fact, I think they tend to have more buyer's remorse if they feel pressured to purchase it in person at the service. But instead, when they can go home and make that purchase on their own time, they feel so good remembering that service, remembering the product that you recommend to them, and then they go and they continue to have that experience in their home. So that's my thought on that. Then there's also no cancellation fees. If you feel like being a beauty guide is not for you after all is said and done, there's no cancellation fees and there's no pressure. Promise, promise, promise. I have been a part of this company for over a year now, and I am so happy with how much this company just really wants people who want to work the business. They do not pressure anybody to make this business happen. There's no one looming over you being like, have you made sales yet? Or have you done a lot? No, none of that. This is so much about being an entrepreneur and empowering yourself to build your business, to go out and make those connections and recommend the product that you love and be there and be phenomenal and make the world a better place by being you. So there's no pressure to be something that you aren't. I don't want you to be in this business if it doesn't feel good for you. So yeah, no pressure. If you don't want to be here, don't be here. That's my thought. So then, what yeses we got here? So LimeLife offers 20 to 30%, 35% commission on your sales. So I have averaged about 25% commission on all of my sales for the last year. It has been so nice. So I don't know if you've worked in other salons or spas, but when I sold product, I would get maybe 12%. And only if I hit a certain threshold, then I would make 12%. So this has been such a blessing to me to be able to recommend product and then to see a 20 to 25% commission go into my commission account. I'm like, yeah, yes, girl, I did that. I recommended that product and I make money from it. Hell yeah. So that's pretty freaking awesome. They also have phenomenal customer service. So every once in a while, something goes wrong from the shipping and then something will show up and something's just a little not right. All I do is my customers will message me. I make a quick email to corporate and boom, they're getting something brand new shipped right out to them. They are so efficient. They are so generous. Our customer service is phenomenal. So then you're also going to have inspiring leadership. So if you choose to not sign up with me and sign up with a different leader, I am so positive they're going to be phenomenal. Plus, you can always talk to me, find me on Facebook, message me, and I would love to give you some insight. But not just, lower down. Our CEOs at the top, I swear to God, they are so inspiring. Like, I get like butterflies when I meet them because Michelle Gay and her niece Madison, goals, guys, goals. The way that they have such poise, they have so much knowledge, and they share so much. They're so transparent, and it's just everything I aspire to be as a woman and as a business leader. So that's freaking awesome. So yeah, plugging into LimeLife gets you that. And then there is so much room to grow. Oh, I also forgot about business resources. So not only is there, just inspiring people, but the green room has so much information, like information out the wazoo about ways to grow your business, ways to do networking, different ways that you can create content, different ways you can communicate with people, different ways you can grow as a person. And I think that that's amazing to plug into. I know that when I was first starting off, I craved guidance, I craved inspiration, and I found it in direct sales. So even my companies I've been with before, I learned so much about myself and as a person from direct sales companies. And it was free. I didn't have to pay a dang thing besides being involved in the company to have access to all that inspiring information. And that was life-changing. It really was. So I encourage you guys to try a direct sales company because there's just so much at your fingertips. And then yes, there's room to grow. So LimeLife is direct sales. It is a multi-level marketing company. It is not a pyramid scheme. I'm so sick of that because it's a very specific, nasty business way to do life or do business, and LimeLife is not that at all. So if you want to know more specifics, let me know and I can chat with you about that. But LimeLife is room to grow. So that means that if you love the product and you recommend somebody else that they can purchase the product and they love it, and if they wanted to turn around and maybe sell that product and become a beauty guide, you make commission off their sales. You make commission off their commission off them, you know. And I don't know of any other skincare business where if you really are in line and in love with the company and you share that information, that you get so many generations of income from that, because that's what makes the direct sales model so brilliant. But I also know that sometimes direct sales gets a bad rap because people have really abused that over time. And it's a shame, but LimeLife is in business to do the right thing. Hand over foot, they are here to do the right thing and be the brilliant people. I almost said the banana people, I don't know why. I'm sorry. But this is such a big deal. And I really sincerely think that this is the place to be. I am so excited that LimeLife has created an opportunity for estheticians to start their own business and to have such minimal investment to get kick-started and to run. It makes my heart so happy because I really think this is the future of our industry. Having solo estheticians create such healing and lovely spaces for their people, and showing up and not worrying about the rest of the people in their salon, not worrying about, you know, a front desk person that might be crabby to their clients. Like, it allows so much freedom and control, and I want that for other people because I have found that in my life, and it has been so amazing. It feels so good to have the flexibility and the income of being solo. So yeah, I want that for everybody. So yeah, let me know if you have questions. Like I said, I think that these products are going to be phenomenal to get started. Once you make more income, once you have more commissions, then you can invest back into your business and grow your skincare line. And like LimeLife has more anti-aging products. They have more specialty things. So take a look at the website, poke around. I mean, this is a big deal. And I think more people need to know about it. So if this doesn't work for you, do me a favor, send this video to somebody else who you think might want to take this opportunity. They might want to grow their own solo LimeLife business, solo skincare facial business, because this is amazing. This is freaking amazing. So yeah, let me know if you have questions. Subscribe, comment, all that stuff, or talk to the beauty guide who referred you to this video. We can help you. We so desperately want you to live your best life. One of the mottos of our company is we want every woman to know their worth and be paid for it. This is freaking awesome. Know that your recommendation on product is so valuable. Get paid for that recommendation. Enhance some commissions. Come on, guys. This is big. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this was helpful. And yeah, reach out to me if you need to know anything more. Thanks, guys. Bye.